Mexican Petunia is native to Mexico, the West Indies, western Bolivia, southwestern Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, and northeastern Argentina. It has been widely used as an ornamental plant and has escaped from cultivation in the United States, Australia, and parts of Asia, as well as several Pacific islands. It has become invasive in some of these areas, forming dense, single-species stands of vegetation which threaten native plants. It is mainly a plant of wet places such as ditches, pond verges, lakesides, and marshes, but can survive in dry conditions. This Mexican native evergreen perennial is not a petunia, despite its name. However, it is known for its petunia-like purple flowers that attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Its leaves are dark green and lance-shaped. The Mexican petunia is a fast grower, quickly spreading through self-seeding and rhizomes. Because of their fast growth, these plants are considered invasive. Mexican petunia is a vigorous, shrubby, woody-based plant that is easy to propagate by cuttings, division, and seed. While it seeds freely, keep in mind that some cultivars are sterile, in which case they may spread by rhizomes. It typically grows to 3 to 4 feet tall in the wild, but only 2 to 3 feet tall in gardens. Mexican Petunia prefers medium to wet soil that is fertile and well drained, and full sun to partial shade, although flowering is best in full sun. Mexican Petunia is a tolerant plant willing to grow well in boggy, wet conditions, soil that varies from wet to dry, high heat and humidity, and once established does well in drought conditions. It is seldom damaged by deer. Companion plants for petunias are pentas, purple verbena, dwarf firebush, blue star creeper, aster, coreopsis, butterfly weed, and echinacea. The Florida Exotic Pest Plant Council lists Mexican Petunia as a Category 1 invasive species, meaning that it is alternating native plant communities by displacing native species, changing community structures or ecological functions, or hybridizing with natives.